Good morning. Welcome to our home. This is my son Ben. Say hi. Hi. We're just getting ready for school and having breakfast. Just as I was walking through my kitchen, I thought I would mention something that I do to help us with budgeting and saving a little bit of money. And Ben is actually relevant to this, which I will explain in a moment. So in our kitchen, we have a window that is not a standard size for a blind. Now, this is a problem because I could just get blinds that are way too big and hang out over the side, and that would be fine. However, we've got these cupboards here and here, so it has to be a very specific size, which means we need to get custom blinds. Now, those are quite expensive, so we do actually have the money in our account for this. However, like I said, my son is relevant to this story. He's been having some problems with his teeth and needs $3,000 worth of dental work done. So pretty much everything that we've been saving is going to be going towards that. So it's great that we can save money on blinds. Now, just a bit of a sort of mental health tip here. Like I said, we had the $3,000 in our account, and we were certainly wanting to spend that on other things, like things for our household and a holiday that we were wanting to do at Christmas time, which we still will do. It will just look a little bit different. Now, you could look at that and go, oh, that money, like I had a plan for it and now it's just going to be used on this other thing, and we could get really down about it. But the way I look at it is I'm like, oh, thank goodness we have that money there ready to go that we can use. Because things like this do come up. Instead of being upset that this money is going to something else, I am just thankful that we had it there. So back to my blinds. Because it was going to be something like between $200 and $300 to get the custom blinds, I decided to, just for the moment, make my own. So I could do better, but for now I've just done a bit of a quick dodgy job because it's winter and the cold really comes through that window, and so we needed something to just cover it up to keep it warm. And a curtain's just not practical because of the way I needed to lean over the sink and try and get to it, so it really had to be a blind that you could pull up. So let me show you what I've got here. I used an old bed sheet and I folded it over a couple of times. I've got this little thing that holds my string. I might get one of my kids to hold this camera. So this keeps my string in place. Now when I want to pull up my blinds, I pull my string on one side and there's my little hook to hook it in there. And then I pull my string on the other side and I hook it in there. So I've got that. Thank you very much. Your job is done. And my blinds go up. They don't look fancy, but that's okay. And so I just attached with a safety pin to the bottom here, and that's the bottom corner. And then I've got a nail here which the string attaches to, and yeah, when I pull it, it pulls it higher. So obviously it's just got the one height, though I could do other heights by attaching bits here, but I didn't really need to do that. And yeah, same on the other side. Got my nail. So it's just a little bit of creativity. I saved myself at least $250 and it works fine. Like I said, it doesn't look amazing, but really, who am I trying to impress? I'm saving money and my little boy is getting dental work done that he really needs to get done. So I think I know what's more important in this situation. Another creative project I had was this bench seat, which I made from bits of our kitchen. We did a kitchen renovation and we had leftovers. We don't have a linen cupboard in our house because of the way our kitchen renovation worked out. So this acts partially as our linen cupboard, but it's also this lovely comfortable bench seat in the afternoon. Sun comes through that window and you can lie there. It can be a spare bed if we really need it, because that's just, that purple thing is just a foam mattress. So yeah, we got the top part, which are the drawers, and that comes up, and there's two of those, and yeah, I just put that all together to make it look a bit nice, because that outside bit was just really dodgy looking wood. So I got these panels. They were floorboards, and on one of those buy and sell sites, someone just put up make an offer, and there wasn't many of the boards, so I just offered $10 and they said, yep, that sounds great. So I got those and just nailed them on. I certainly wouldn't say I'm a builder in any way, shape or form, but I just used the simple materials I had. I got some hinges, obviously, so the bench seat bit can go up and down. The foam mattress I got from an op shop for $10. I totally understand if there are people out there who don't like the idea of buying a mattress from an op shop, so you know, that's what I did. You can buy brand new foam mattresses for pretty cheap anyway. Like, I disinfected it and sprayed it and left it out to dry, but again, I understand if that's not for you. The sheet that's covering it, again, I got from an op shop, and yeah, the materials, I think even the hinges came out of our old kitchen, so what I spent on this bench seat was $20. So with a little bit of creativity and ingenuity, you can save yourself a fair bit of money. Hey guys, say hi YouTube. Hi YouTube! And this is my little girl who did the filming for me.